is my desktop with Internet Explorer. Actually, it's Firefox. And I've done a search on repeater map. Now, this is a follow-up on a show I did about 3 or 4 shows ago about this website. And the reason I'm doing a follow-up is the author has made several enhancements addressing the concerns I had about this website. And now it's really, really good. So we're going to go to this website. We flip over where I got it opened up. Oh, let me go back here. This is the one I'm talking about right here, this website, K5EHX. Flip over there. Okay, now this is what you see when you go to that website. A lot difference here. It's a lot cleaner. Now keep in mind, you're only seeing about 3/4 of my Internet Explorer or Firefox page. That cuts down on the amount of the size of the file when I capture this recording. So anyway, so keep that in mind that you're not seeing anything, but you're seeing the important things, which are the search box. This is an this is a Google search box, so you can search on several things. And so let's do a search on my zip code. If I knew what it was. There, okay, and that automatically, very quickly brings up this zoomed in map to my, in my area. And you can, first thing you'll notice is that one of the complaints I had is the way these little frequency boxes, which weren't boxes before, showed up on a map. It was just text, black text, and it kind of got intermixed with the background. So some cases you couldn't read it. Now he's changed that to actually boxes with that are a white box with black lettering, much easier to read. Let me zoom in on here a little bit. Oops, in, not out, dummy. And I'll move it around. So much, much easier to read now. And this box over here, you can, using this little button here, hide it. So now you get, if I zoom in more, I have more room devoted to the map. And this used to be a lot bigger, and it was about 1/3 of the screen, and you couldn't get rid of it. So now you can slide it in and out. See that? Zip. Really nice enhancement there. And now it just gives you a listing of the repeaters it's found in my area. And it says it has found 55 repeaters. Now I haven't figured out how you can set how many repeaters it finds. Basically saying the distance from your location. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So anyway, there's a couple of ways now you can get information about the repeaters. You can come over here and click on a repeater, and it brings up this box with all the information about the repeater that used to be provided over here in a really, really long list, especially if you had 55 repeaters. Now you can just look at one at a time, get all the information you need to set up your radio, and you're good to go. Okay, or you can come over here and click on one of these items, and it will show you the same information. Notice that in that case, it's zoomed out to do that. So I like the other way better. So let's close this. Now the other thing that I was really distracted with is the other version of this web page provided circles indicating the range capability of the repeater. And they were like overlapping. You see how many repeaters are shown here. You had circles all over the place. And it was, again, hard to read what was on the map. Well, you notice the circles are gone. But if you want to find out the range of a particular repeater, you click on its ID I'm sorry, you click on, you go down here, click on the map, and boom, you get a new map, and you see the circle just for this repeater. Again, I'm not showing you the full screen. I'll slide over so you can see the full circle. So you get one of these circles, which is an indication of the range of that repeater, and you only get one, and it's on a separate page. So you can open multiple ones if you want. So I'm going to close this page, and I'm going to close this box. So as you can see, let me zoom back in here. As you can see, he's really addressed the problems that I had and probably a lot of people had. And he did it, I mean, maybe it was just coincidental with my review, but he did it very quickly after my review where I complained about a couple of things. So that's the update. I still am a little foggy, and I don't know how to contact the author. And I guess I can, certainly I can use his call sign, K5EHX, and try to contact him using that. Because there's some things I'm not sure how to do. The other thing is, like one of them is, he lists 55 repeaters found, but I don't see, it doesn't appear there's 55 repeaters on this map. Now I didn't count them all, but it seems a little short. And like I said before, our club repeater is not shown. Now that I still haven't been able to contact the guy who's in charge of the repeater to find out if that repeater is no longer in service, so to speak. So maybe it's not shown up in any listings. Although it did show up in one listing on another web page, but maybe that was an older listing. And I'm not sure where this particular author gets his information about repeaters. And maybe the information he's getting, they don't all have the position information that he could place it on the map. And maybe that's why they're not shown. So that's basically the update of this website. I was really enthused about the changes, so I want to get out a quick QSO to show you the changes. And that's the show for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.